Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to switch between Amazon Music plans. So switching between plans on Amazon Music is quick, even from your phone, on your computer and on a browser, as you can see. So all you need to do is go with the music.amazon.com and sign in with your account. Then just go and tap on the icon or the profile icon picture that's located at the top right corner. Then just go with my profile. It's the first option on the pop-up menu. So now all you need to do is to click on change my subscription. You will find the option just right here, or you can go with upgrade from here. Okay, and enter your payment method infos. Okay, and then go with add your card. So you will need to provide your name on card, card number, security codes, the CVV, the 3 numbers or 4 numbers on the back of your card, and the expiration date. Then, as I told you, I'll need to click on change plan, and you may ask, when does it change or when does the change take effect? So let's say that you want to upgrade your plan from individual plan to the family plan. That happens immediately. If you want to downgrade from the family plan to the individual, that happens at the end of your billing cycle. So if you're going to switch from the family plan to the individual, all family members will lose the access and only you keep the subscription. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.